Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Feelings or emotions are the universal language and are to be honored. They are the authentic expression of who you are at your deepest place. I can admit and say that I have feelings. I have feelings too. I am still human. All I want is to be loved for myself and for my talent. You only get one life, so you might as well feel all the feelings. Listen with your eyes for feelings. It is hard for me to put my feelings into words. A gentleman is one who never hurts anyone's feelings unintentionally. Contempt is the weapon of the weak and a defense against one's own despised and unwanted feelings. Selling is essentially a transfer of feelings. Sacrifices are concerned with the feelings of devotion and longing. Opinion is ultimately determined by the feelings and not by the intellect. Feeling alone makes negative feelings worse. When you feel alone, frustration quickly can become anger. Fear quickly can become panic. The perfume of your silence lingers in scented feelings without words. It's important not to indicate. People don't try to show their feelings, they try to hide them. Beware of men who cry. It's true that men who cry are sensitive to and in touch with feelings, but the only feelings they tend to be sensitive to and in touch with are their own. Feelings such as loneliness, longing, or love are sometimes hard to put into words. Maybe that is why we all love music, because it resonates with something we cannot share. Live contemplating the body through mindfulness. Live contemplating feelings. In this way, you will be aware of and control wrong desires Buddha. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Good luck to you.